Today for market runs, we want to discuss because information reach me or complaint reach me say the youth not dey gree learn handwork again one. So you no go see who dey sit down for shop. Then they no dey gree learn either sales boy or sales girl. They no gree do sales boy or sales girl. Say the sales boys they want fast money yahoo. Then the sales girls they run. They find boys wey get money. So they don't complain give me because you get two people when I work out. Two of our market women when get a booker. Now only they and their children die now the operator now. All the sales girls and sales girls they don't run say they know they do again.
Wait, you sure say those people they treat them well?
Yes, now they treat them well and they say they give them food.
Because they no see, I don't see where person go say they see where they treat her well, they give her food chop, they look her well, you know go come do the work.
One say they pay the 30,000 naira a month. Then they go see shop for the restaurant too, for the booker, but they are not doing it. So I beg you, if you market man and woman, let us know. Is it that the oga and the madam they not they treat the sales girls or sales boys well? I've been at the sales boys or sales girls, not the one put it down to tell learn or do sales boy or sales girl.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Morning. Okay.
Good morning.
Morning, no.
They talk,
Eh?
They don't want to do anything.
Are you serious?
Because me, I remember when I get shop for Panda. Now because that thing where they do me, make me close my shop when I get my challenge. I wanted to list up in that shop. But they go want chop your money.
Are you
chop
serious?
their salary.
Sure.
You go they pay for your the two yourself for the FE say. I go write which I get for sure, give this guy. Before you go know, you go distract my money. Because maybe I don't know.
Yeah.
So most of them don't want to do anything. If they never see they go say they thief money, they don't go agree work.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why you see the book at the club, you know, that line. Because they don't see their money
shop.
thief.
Okay.
They don't say they treat them well. No matter how you want to treat them well, which.
So that one why you close the shop.
Yes, that's why I have to close up my shop.
Hey, yeah, thank you for contributing.
Thank you. Go. Hello, who did
there? Who did the phone line?
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
This topic where you bring. Now, so they do. One of my friends now, she dey go aba. If listen, leave the gate. She dey listen and our caller. He leave the gate for sure. They go back come before this lady go come. This girl don't say everything inside the shop.
Say everything.
Everything. Say like top money run. One day for kind of the woman catch. Say jump down catch him. They can't go police station. They just when they pay the money. I say pay. Now the ladies and so the money will not pay them again.
Wow.
When I get shop, they know they learn. The one way even get they will open your cupboard, steal your money, run. Then nobody want learn, and they need short, sharp money. Now they need.
Okay.
Thank you. Anything where they do, try and learn the work by yourself. If not, they want to anyhow, you go they manage.
Nice.
Okay.
So well done.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, madam.
My name is Precious. I'm calling from Cape.
Okay, Precious, you go speak up. May we hear you clearly.
Okay. Precious from Cape.
Let's go.
This is not 2-5.
Okay.
See, they treat them well. This is some madam longer. They treat all these days boys and kids as if they are slaves.
Okay.
So when you treat them well, you won't get as they will treat your business.
Yeah.
Make sure say business go. For the other side, some of them they like to start money.
Okay.
Maybe say it's okay, start for 2 years, I'll take you. But then they like to start like 6 months.
Okay.
And they won't get much cash because they see their needs. No, some of these things are peer pressure.
Pressure, okay.
So when they see their peer group, they make up. So themselves, they would like to be like that.
Okay.
So now what they make of them, they go into, doing all these bad things.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, madam. Yeah, thank you. Read this one for there.
This one say, good afternoon, Ratata. This na Ugochukwu from Cyprus. That word na true because the youth of these days know they won't do work again because them believe say na how long them go work to fit save the kind money, big money where them they eye. Even here for Cyprus, Nigerian guys and ladies no Wan Gree work but prefer hook up and yahoo because the money they drop.
Yeah, Pipo.
Hey.
Now because of my oldest boy, they no one work. My small brother, na because of that now make me come date the shop. The guy wey dey here before last year they got him with 3.7 million in account, and he don't build house for his own house. Now the money wey later bring am out is the money wey he pay for living.
Are you serious?
He pay 4 million.
Wow. Wait. The boy, your senior brother put out for his shop.
Yeah, for his shop.
The boy called the tip money to build house.
Yeah, the total in business, you don't build house, don't buy house in Ogun State, yeah. Buy the house, build the house, upstairs. Like the money where they bring him out is the money where he pay for the roofing. The guy where he pay the money na my brother
friend.
Where they say building material. So I say, which time they build house for Ogun State? My brother said, you know they build house. He said, your boy pay me 4 million for
4 million
roofing. Now
roofing.
My brother come investigate, come check and come see the phone. Come see the
transaction
we don't do. Come go bank. They go do account statement.
Jesus
the correct
Christ.
money we don't for the account is 3.7 million. The total money we won't save for the shop before is almost 40 million.
Hey, wow.
Some people no won't work again, no.
Wow. So now your brother come pursue the boy.
He don't push him.
Now you collect the shop now.
But he collect the money where he made for the boy account.
Yeah, he collect and seize the land. He collect the document of the land.
Yes.
Okay, your brother pursue the guy, seize the land, collect the document.
Yes.
Hey, yeah. So now you
even arrest the boy itself. Now him papa come back and say,
may you release him. Jesus Christ. So now you they operate the shop now.
Yes, I mean operate shop, and the thing they vex me because the school that which I don't get for Canada. You can make me come back now.
Hey, yeah. So now because of this one now, you not coffee go your own school, go face your own life.
Yes, my brother is saying my way to next year now. They pay me.
Hey, yeah, I can understand. I defeat the pain for this guy.
I see.
Yeah, sorry, eh?
Okay,
so
yes, sir. Thank you.
Now, wow, not be smart, you know. Okay, read this one, no.
This one say, Ratata, most of these madam are very wicked and mean to the girls, boys that are selling for them. Most times they deduct money than half salary of those workers at any little mistakes. True, though most of those are thieves. This one now from Surulere, now M4 for Surulere.
Some shop owners they complain say people, the girls, boys, not agree either learn work or do boys or sales girl or sales girl or sales boy again they run. Okay, I better read this one first.
This one say, good morning, Latata. My name now Ngozi. I'm a worker at a hotel. He said the man get plenty hotel in this Lagos, but now because of 500 or 1,000 short as you sell drink, finish the man. The man, he say, wetin the man go do? He say,
no go pay your salary.
They say no go pay your salary because of the short of money where you short. Whether na 500 or na 1,000.
Even in a 100 short now.
No, wait first. Wait first. The girl say. The girl say.
He said because of 500 or 1,000
or 1,000 when you sell drink.
He's short. He's not supposed short now. He's a business owner now. Imagine say 1,000 they short every day or 500 short every day. Just imagine say 500 they short almost every day or twice a week. Sure, I beg go.
But if you do it once, if you do it twice, if you do it thrice, he go sack you now.
You feel like bank. Hello? Yeah, so mother, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, you dey live on radio now. But not worry yourself, not call your name off here. I want to ask you some kind of small questions as regards the business when you dey do your booker business. Okay, are you there?
Yes.
I beg you go talk loud and clear so that maybe people for radio hear you because that day when me and you see, you dey complain say okay sales girls not agree stay, they not agree do sales girl work. Wetin make you feel say they not agree do sales girl work again?
They know they want them because they no want them.
Okay.
Them prefer to do a shower work.
Wow. Are you serious? Wait. Are you talking from experience?
Yes, now because anybody wants to learn, you go put down to them.
Okay.
Forget about that money.
Okay.
But anybody wants to learn, no go care to money.
Okay.
Me, I start for somebody. Today, I thank God.
Okay.
Because where I work, na back of what do they call Zenith Bank. I work for any woman.
Okay.
You pay me 500 naira every day.
Wow, that year.
I need some marijuana. I need to pay that money because I know waiting at the time.
Okay.
I know one day I go start my own.
Okay.
Nowadays now, if they go work for you, they go use the price. They don't want to say maybe if you learn that thing,
you can start them on tomorrow.
Okay.
Then care for money.
Okay.
See them that money no pay them. Now they will come out, go they do as our work.
Okay, I beg you know say na radio, so you just coin that name small. You know, you understand? I beg what I want ask how many guests like this you don't get when come when wrong go when no when not gree stay? How many?
I don't get past 50 workers.
50 when not gree do says get when they call the run they go. Are you serious?
Only 3 people now they're proud of me because they start their own now.
Oh, out of the 50, only 3 call last start their own booker.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so because what if the guests come they say maybe not the way you they treat them, okay?
I know treat workers as saying my workers. I dey treat them any my workers as my sister.
Okay.
I know they treat any worker.
And you don't get up to 50 of
when
them.
When they pass through you.
Huh?
You don't get up to 50 when pass through you.
I know hear you.
I said, and you don't get up to 50 guests when pass through you for this business.
Yes.
Okay, so presently now only you now I dey shop now. I been waiting.
No only me there. I'm me and my daughter.
So if your daughter can't go school now, only you go call they
I want to go. I don't carry my cross now.
Wow. Okay. Anyway, because that day when I call buy food, when you say akpu and everything for me, you know say we they talk the talk. Now say okay, make a talk out for radio. So many people they react for radio. Hey, now say okay, make a kukuma call you. May not be like say I they talk with you, I don't know. May not be like say I they form the story.
No, they know one work.
Okay.
That's why I thought it's plenty for marriage now.
Okay.
Because if they marry just say fine, you know if you do anything. You know if you help a family.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
They know one work.
Okay, thank you very much, madam.
I want to talk about this work of a thing. Some madam,
yeah.
Now them they cause this issue.
Okay.
2009 to 2011 when I did with my uncle for Taraba State.
Yeah.
This woman know they allow me rest.
Yeah.
I go na me go do everything. Na me go fetch water. Na me go stay for shop. Carry market. Taraba one Kungana market every Saturday. Now only me go. My uncle know they complain for anything, but this woman he go they complain say why they sleep for sure, why they do one thing. This just unnecessary complaint.
So for your mind now some of the madam they cause them. When they make sales boys and sales girls not they stay.
Madam they cause them.
Okay.
From there now just verse one day say tell my uncle say I no stay again, so I won't go back village. Now so I carry my bag come back out.
The thing we say sometimes now organ the madam problem.
Yeah.
Like me now the staff person, but the problem is say they settle person well.
Okay.
So but meaning they pay girls, they pay boys.
Wait, what do you mean by say if they pay girls, they pay boys?
Time they do girls well, they give them their salary, but they pay boys.
Okay, but all of them they serve for the same shop.
We they stay for the same shop, but they live for the same place.
So if they favor the guests, pass the boys.
Favor the girls, pass the boys.
Wonderful.
So any little mistake where the boys do for years where you don't serve, they're not gonna give you anything. But for girls, anything where you do, they will still pay you your salary. You go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Read this one. Oh yeah, read this one.
This one on top of WhatsApp be say ratata some madams no dey try. Imagine as a married woman I sign fashion work. The initial time was the resumption time wey dem give am before na 9 a.m. go close 5 p.m. for evening. But the madam change am. She change am for the woman say make she dey resume by 7 a.m. and then close by 7 p.m. And she get 2 children.
He said she get 2 children. Abeg now true say sales girls not the gree state these days. I've been waiting because I see your message for WhatsApp just now, and of course you dey do your own booker and restaurant job. So give us your small experience with sales girls.
This is our restaurant business. If you employ workers, take them like your own children.
Okay.
You have to bring yourself down for them.
Okay.
They will do your work very well.
Okay.
And when you notice that they are getting out of hand, discipline them instantly.
Okay.
And they will come and apologize. And when you notice that there's a thief among them, sack the person.
Sack the thief.
And if you know that you don't have much workers and you are suspecting any of them,
keep on managing the person. There's all eyes on that person. Once you get a new worker, then you sack that person. That very day, even though she's going to poison the new person you employ.
Wow, wonderful.
I can call them now. Like Queen now is going to 3 years working for me.
Okay.
Most of them rented a house here. Most of them married from here. If you want better work material, and they give them out.
Okay.
My workers are very good. I give them own train. You know when mama no train, when they come here, they train them.
Okay.
And they see me like their mother. One new worker that have worked for me for a month.
Yeah.
Say, Madam, they say you wicked. If they see you, they still say you wicked. But as I'm working here, Madam, you are very nice. So you play with workers. I say, Madam, don't look, I'm nice. No. When you are wrong, I'll be wrong. When you are nice, I'm nice. Because that is it. But that woman saying, they are the type that cost workers serve them, let them eat.
No. Everybody gets your experience. So now, how experience you talk?
I'm sorry.
You talk. For example, now you know say you short. So also you say go to say you wicked. Are you not short?
I'm not sure.
Madam, quiet. I say I never see you, but madam, you short too. I beg you. So now, they laugh.
My workers enjoy me, but if I beg, they will fear.
Because sure.
Money. They eat as they like. Eat 3 times very well and do your work very well.
Okay.
That is and at times I see that they over pressure themselves. And I tell them because they can work sometimes, no time to eat. I say take malt.
Okay.
Because malt is better than mineral. All of them will rush malt and keep on working. When they time they start eating.
Okay.
So
no
you have to take care of them.
So that means for you now. So now for your hand now, no get don't come when wrong. Come on, when not agree work the work, madam.
Then they run.
Now they talk so.
The one with the wrong will say work too much. I say yes. Calabar kitchen here. But that woman mind the work here.
Okay.
Lazy one no go work.
Okay, no wahala.
The one where I took for up no they work. They find work from. If I see your nails say long, you don't go work for me.
Because that one I go day up.
If your eyelash is long, you don't go work.
Wamlele, that means that woman correct. Worker. Wamlele. Okay, madam, thank you.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.